Incorrect. Land. Mr. Passenger, name one of the main components of tourism.
Proper security.
Alright, have a seat. Mr. Beckford, which organization is responsible for the development and improvement of Jamaica tourist products?
Tpdco.
That's correct. Miss Morrison, true or false? True or false? Two African-derived dance forms now perform in Jamaica are maypole and quadrille. True.
False.
Incorrect. False. Mr. Henry. Mr. Henry, true or false? The Jankuna dance includes both African and European culture.
True.
That's correct. In which resort area would you find the Rio Grande River? Which resort area will you find the Rio Grande River?
No help.
Huh? Correct. Mr. Byfield, name the attraction in St. Elizabeth that is built around a legend. Correct. Environment awareness, true or false? Seagrass bed acts as nursery for juvenile fish and shellfish.
Who keeps answering? Allow the person to answer.
That's correct. Listen, this is a true or false question. Coral reef protects the coastline from wave action. True or false?
True.
Okay, that's that big.
Yeah, we
That's completely individual question. So some people got their points, but everybody got 25 points for their appearance. Okay? Yes, everybody got their points. Okay. Now we're going into the complex section. What you say again?
What is it called?
Missing water.
One more question.
Okay, what we have here, as you know, I'm a Rasta man and we like to bake, you know, with the coconut milk and all that. We managed to prepare cake, chocolate coconut cake.
Okay. What are the ingredients?
The ingredients is coconut, chocolate,
Chocolate where you pick up on the tree.
actually Jamaican Blue Mountain chocolate.
Okay.
Yes, naturally grated and infused with the chocolate and the coconut milk and a little touch of marijuana.
Brownie. No brownie.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have chocolate, coconut milk, flour, a little butter,
Yes, ma'am. And a little touch of honey.
butter.
Give it
You
some.
put any vanilla or anything like that in there?
You know, I do at times, but I'm not so much of a, you know, somewhat. We just keep it real, naturally from the earth. Yes, ma'am.
So that is the dessert. What is the natural drink you're going to do?
All right, what I have here is something that all Jamaicans know and love. It is alkaline acid. It moves mucus from the body. Excessive fat. It is called lime. And so my mother grew me up on lime and water and a little bit of honey. So we call that the lemon the egg. Natural Jamaica traditional drink. Lemonade.
I can tell you, Mr. Gray, that meal, very unusual, but I like how you stick to your culture, and you did something that was not outside of what you consume.
My mother grew me up. Yes, ma'am.
Mangroves are a group of trees and spurs that live in the coastal strand, having numerous tangled roots that go above ground and form dense thickets. Coral reef. It's an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef building. Coral reefs are formed colonies of coral corals held together by calcium carbonate. Most coastal reefs are built from stony coral with coral structures in the ocean. And this is a picture of the mangrove, and this is a picture of the coral reef. And this is an example of the barrier reef,
How do you bring
stone
this?
reef, fringing reef. And this is the black mangrove, and the white mangrove, and the red one. Yes. Thank you so much.
Finish. A friend, co-worker, or visitor of yours would like to know the meaning of the words in the Team Jamaica song. Explain to the person using the information that you have learned from the program what it means to team members.
The song is deep bass and deep and fall back. Team Jamaica, take my advice. Make the country nice.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Continue,
Jamaica team.
Continue.
Repeat again. Team Jamaica, make the country nice. Join Team Jamaica. Together, every one of us can achieve more members of the team. Contribute to the scores. The Reggae Boys have shown us how to be the very best. If we do that in tourism, then God will do the rest.
Oh, Team Jamaica make you feel.
Real goodness, team coming together, and make tourism better. To feel the word.
Thank you.
Alright,
You have been voted the Team Player of the Year and therefore invited to speak about the Team Jamaica program at the award ceremony. Use this opportunity to convince other tourism workers that this program is important in enhancing professional service delivery. Include music, poetry, song, or DJ in your presentation. Come, welcome Mr. Anson.
96
Okay.
launch 1997 at Sanders Montgomery Resort.
Okay. Where was the first set of tourists that used to come to Jamaica? Where were they? Port Antonio, right? So if Keke business is better and you are better, what are some of the benefits to Jamaica? More tourists will come. And when more tourists will come, what will happen? More money. Alright? You don't want to tell me anything else? Alright, sir. Thank you. Tell me the departments of Tpdco.
Craft development.
Alright. And what does craft development do?
To upgrade the people like who are making crafts.
Alright. And tell me another department.
Product of safety for the guests and experience.
Alright, so that is business safety and experience. So what do they do?
I'll try to stop harassment.
Alright. Stop harassment. Tell me another department. Tell me another department. Tell me another department.
Number 2, again, please. Everything like this. Product development,
Product development, what do they do?
like beautify places.
Alright. Tell me another department. They still are waiting for your man, you know. They still are waiting for your man department.
Beautiful cars in another
Oh,
tree.
you plan it yet? So I work in the training department.
Oh, the training
And
department.
what do we do?
Training.
Alright. And then you have one other department called what? Product quality.
Quality,
And what
yes.
do they do?
Make sure everything that done is on top.
Alright. The final department.
Yeah, man. Oh, a show, man. Yeah, I make a nice man.